Alright guys, so in today's video I'll be going to Bybit. I'll be looking for potential trading opportunities and I'll be giving you guys updates. For example, you can see the market generally. Bitcoin, this is Bybit homepage. Bitcoin is down, it's looking red. So the market moved and it's more like there's a correction in the market. So Bitcoin is currently 27,900, Ethereum is 1,700, and Arbitrium token has done 9% minus 9.02%. So another token I would love to see is Dogecoin, because Dogecoin pumped I think yesterday, right? But anyway, let's look at a token we can scalp with, for a short period of time. If I see a very good trading opportunity, I'll jump in, and if I don't, I'll be out. Just scalp a little money and see how we can build from there. So there is a signal that SRP is pumping Arbitrium too. So let's check Arbitrium token. I'm going to go with derive ARB USDT. So I'm going to check ARB USDT. Let me see. This token is dumping. The token is relatively new. If you look at the daily time frame, this token is dumping. So I'll be looking for like a selling position in this kind of token, right? Now from this particular token, from the 4 hours time frame, it is obvious that this token is dumping. All we need to do is to look for an opportunity for us to sell. So I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame and I'm going to off a lot of these indicators so that I can see the chart clearly. I'm going to off the MACD, I'll off the Bollinger Band, I'll off the EMA, right? So now with what I can see here, it is obvious that this coin pumped, range around this region, and it's currently dumping. So I'm going to draw a trend line to show you guys the dump on this particular token, right? This is how we trade. You need to want to get a clear pattern, right? If I want to draw a trend line from here, from the 1 hour time frame, I want to scalp, I can draw a trend line like this and show you guys that this coin, around this period was on a bullish run. However, around there, the coin was ranging, but right now, from here the coin is dumping. So I'm going to draw a trend line to mark the areas that the coin is dumping, right? And when the coin is going down, you're going to see what we call the lower high and the lower low, and the lower low, right? And when the coin is going up, you see the higher high and the higher low, right? So look at it this way, guys. Now when you look at this chart now, you can see that this top part where this is touching the blue line is called the lower high, and when it hits the lower high, it comes down to the lower low, then it corrects, it goes up, it hits the lower high, then it comes down to the lower low, then it corrects, it goes up, it hits the lower high, it comes down to the lower low. So from this pattern, from what we can see here, which means if this coin hits this lower high, then we can be looking for an opportunity to enter the trade for it to come down to the lower low, right? This is how we look at the chart, and we try to want to look for good entry positions. And there are some things you need to take note of. Most of the time, the areas for the lower high are usually areas of support or resistance. You can look at this now. This is like an area for support in the past, right? In this place, it was an area of support. In this region, look at it. Let me just draw the line, right? Where is it? Okay, let me draw a line around here. This is the region, somewhere around here, right? See, this region, this used to be area of support for this part, and in this place is an area of resistance. When the coin was going up, when it hit this place, it dumped down, so it resisted the price from moving forward. But after it broke this area of resistance, then when it was about to come down, it became an area of support, right? And if we want to mark this region too, you're going to see the same thing. Look at it here. So this area is also an area of support and resistance. We can also mark here too, right? Okay, I don't need to include that part. That part is not really relevant in this particular chart. So what we will be looking at is anytime the price hits this line, this blue line, then we can be expecting the market to react, and we'll be looking for shorting positions. Now if we go to a lower time frame, let's go to like 15 minutes time frame. You can see the price is pumping, so all I need to do is to be patient enough. Just wait for it to hit this blue line, that is the trend line that is coming down. Once it hit this trend line, then I'll be looking for good entry position to short the price, to short the market, and I'm going to be selling, right? So for now I cannot take any trade until the market hits this particular trend line. The chart, I mean the price hit this trend line. When it hit this trend line, it begins to react, then I will short. However, if it reaches trend line position, it breaks this trend line and tries to move above, then it could mean a change in the market direction. So this is how you scalp, this is how you analyze the market. You just hold on, you wait for what you are thinking to play out, then you jump into the market when you see a good setup, right? If you find this content interesting, find it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, while I go and look at another cryptocurrency to see whether we can get good trading opportunities in that currency. Bye for now, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.